From the noisiest neighborhood in the known universe, welcome to Smoky Goodness 2.0. You know what? We've been gone a long time. Smoky Goodness is trying to be Smoky Goodness again. You would not believe the damage that count them, 4 consecutive thunderstorms with hurricane force straight line winds can cause. We've had a tree removed. We've had part of another tree removed. We're getting our, I almost said hood. We're getting our roof replaced as we speak, not at the moment, but they're about halfway with it. But by golly, it's been something like 3 months since I've been out here doing anything because of all this crap going on. I need some TASR Ribeyes, and I need them right now. That's what we're doing tonight. Smoky Goodness, slowly but surely, will return, won't we? At least we're gonna try. So I think that's it. Everything began or resumes with 2 single flames. Happened a little while ago. Here they are. Instant replay or something. I don't know what I'm saying. Been a while. You know what I mean?
Instant replay.
Yeah. All right. That's enough of that.
The steaks. Give me the steaks. There you go.
It's like some ritual out here or something.
Yeah.
What do you think the neighbors think?
I think they're gonna be hungry pretty soon.
I think they're asleep.
Man, that TASR smells so good. All right. Oh well, it stands where it lands. All right, you know the deal. You know, I'm so out of practice by the time I got everything ready to record out here. These coals have probably burned down halfway. Let's give these things a 90-degree turn, shall we? I think so. Like that. Like that. And like that. You deserve to be a little bit closer to the coals. You do too, as do you. Been a while. Chocolate dial. I believe the searing has commenced in the low and slow portion of our PIX mission should, well, commence. We want the thickest part of the steaks facing the flames. Yep. You knew that, didn't you? Let them go till they reach an internal temperature of delish. It's time for the grand unveiling. After 3 months, wow. I'll get these guys inside.
Let them rest for a little bit. It's been a while, man. Yum. Okay.
A little bit north of medium rare, but I'll take it. You know. Look at that. Blows me away, man. I love this TASR rub. How's it taste there, Mr. Smoky Goodness Jr.?
Tastes good. Tastes great.
Thank you very much, and I hope I passed the audition.